get started. What's up, y'all? It's your girl J Bougie, and I'm back with a quick little tutorial and review. If you haven't yet, make sure you click that red button below and subscribe to your girl. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. So yeah, I know y'all was looking at me a few minutes ago in the beginning of this video like, why is her ponytail so lopsided? So I did some coral curls about 3 days ago, which I washed my hair, conditioned it and everything. Did a video. If you didn't see it, the link to that video is below. Now it's about 3 days later, and as you can see, they get a little, I don't know, Afro-ish. So I decided, okay, give it a try, because usually I'll just take them apart, comb them out, and put it in a bun or a ponytail. This time, I decided to do something different. I bought this whole brand, this whole line that I wanted to try. It was this line that I saw on Instagram, and I wanted to try it. So I just so happened to be in Target, and they didn't have any where I live at in Target, and it's some that's like 40 minutes away, but I don't want to drive all that way. I just so happened to go on Sally's to get the shade Moisture, and guess what was in there? Boom! This stuff right here is called the Doux. I know it don't look like it say that, but and it's called the Bonita, if I'm saying it right, Bonita Afro Balm, like lip balm, Afro Balm. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a whole tutorial on this whole thing anyway when I get a chance. But just so happened that my curls is worn out. I need to go ahead and look at my little products, and I got this, and I was like, I'm definitely about to go try it. This is the creator on the cover right here on the top. I also grabbed some Swaggo, or Swag, how you say? Swaggo. I got Swaggo, y'all. The edge control too as well. I love the look of this product. I did get the wash and go stuff as well, but that video will be coming soon. So yeah, real quick, I did this ponytail already, y'all. And these curls, look at this curl. It's got a shine, a bounce. It's not way down. All I did was put a little Bonita Afro Balm on it, and brushed it a little bit, and boom, my ponytail is soft. Like my hair feels like baby hair. Like it's super soft. Like, you know how baby hair is super soft when they first come out? That's what my hair feels like. I'm gonna go ahead and do this ponytail, and I know you guys see that I'm not blended up there at all. That's because I haven't decided if I want to lay my hair down. But yeah, let's go ahead. Now I am gonna lay my hair down. Let's go ahead and get into this. I'm gonna just show y'all what I did, and let's just do it. So guys, I'm basically going to try not to pull my curls apart, but I am going to pick out the one that I want to bring down in the back and bring the one out that I want out in the front of my hair. And I'm just going to put in a loose ponytail real quick. And this stuff smells so amazing. It has a light scent to it. And I'm just going to put it on my hair like moisturizer. Like you would regularly moisturize your hair. I'm just going to do that all over my hair and go in between as well and do it. Guys, it smells so amazing. I can't get enough of it. It's really light and fluffy. I'm going to go in with a brush, but not brush down to my curls. Just brushed on the top of my hair, as you can see. And I'm going to do the back as well and get it up in a ponytail. Now I want you guys to remember how dry this ponytail looked compared to the other one before I put this product on. Now my hair has a shine, it's soft, it smells so good. I love it. I can't stress that enough. And just watch how this curl transitions. Okay, guys, we're gonna get into this swag go. Smells amazing. Smells like great Kool-Aid, but a light version of it. Wasn't too strong, just right. How did it work on my hair? It didn't really hold my hair down as much, but as you guys know, I had the most funny acting hair. Nothing works on my hair unless it's got to be glue sprayed on it or some edge effect by magic. It has to be extreme, but I think it can work for other people here. But with the thickness of my hair, it doesn't seem like anything works for it. But I'm going to continue to use it and try to work with it as my hair transitions. But yeah, guys. Okay, guys, this is it. Please don't mind this in here. That's just my makeup, which is why I always do my makeup after I do my hair. But anyway, yeah, so it'll dry up, it'll clear up, whatever. But this is it, and this is dry already. This hasn't dried, but look how much it's tripled up. Y'all see that? Oh. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this quick tutorial. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, make sure you click that red button below and subscribe to your girl.